Gay as fuck.
Alright, so here's my car. Baby girl's down, but you know, it's a dream car right here. Z 350 2004 DE. Not cool enough to get the HR, but you know, I do what I can. Just don't mind the McDonald's, you know.
Built on a budget.
Yeah, built on the budget. These wheels, the Rep, you know, the Rep. Actually, they're Brandon's over there, but
They're from my Subi, but we put them on Dom's car.
yeah, because your car's not moving anytime soon. But yeah, inside, you know, it's just basic interior. I painted these because the black plastic. Any of you guys out there know that the black plastic on the door panels don't do shit. You know, stock, basically stock. You know, I got this with the car, the shift knob. I painted the top half. I haven't painted the lower half yet. Ran out of paint, so you know, did the top half. I'm probably gonna repaint this black too. I'm just hesitant on doing this because I want to get a new shift boot as well. So yeah, I did both this side and that one over there. But yeah,
Really show them that you at least have an exhaust.
oh yeah, I do have an exhaust. All right, here, Brandon, fucking hold this.
At least show that Dom does have an exhaust, and it is NVIDIA. You guys can see the NVIDIA logo under there. But
Don't mind the noises that aren't exhaust noises.
yeah. See, I think it sounds good. I think it's definitely a nice exhaust note. I mean, you don't really experience it.
I mean, it's nice for how much I bought it for. You know, hey, let the oil build up, sir.
I will.
You know, this car has just been sitting here in the garage for, I want to say about, it's been in the garage for at least a couple of days now. It was just on the side of the road right there. Just on the side of the road right there. The throwout bearing's going out, so, you know, I'm waiting to get the funds for a new clutch and flywheel, and so that'll be going in here pretty soon. So, I'm pretty sure you can give it some revs if you want. Alright, here we go. Oh god, dude, there's smoke hella, bro.
It's just trying to sit, dude.
Dude, that is fucking crazy. Fuck. Dude, I want to get this car up so fucking bad, dude.
How do you think I feel? We just put an engine in mine, mine's broken again.
Well, you know what? You enjoyed it while you had it, so.
We'll let your car warm up because we gotta move it out anyway.
Yeah, I know, we gotta move it out of the garage anyway. So.
You know, just so you guys have to see, you know, we gotta take the fucking Z out of the garage, you know, because I guess the Z is more important to put in the garage than the fucking 67 Camaro that's just sitting here. That's fucking clean as fuck.
Hey, that's my daily, alright? Leave this alone. Okay?
That is not your daily.
It's not mine, but I'm dailing it, okay? Leave it alone.
You know, we don't really give much emphasis on a lot of the cars that we do have, including the Jeep TR. We'll talk about that when we get to it.
Talk about that later,
But I mean, this Camaro is fucking clean. It does need some interior work and some TLC, but this is going to be one of the projects on the channel. I love the fucking 67 Camaro. They're always sick as fuck. And
I mean, some people say it's rare because of the wing, and then the dash is also rare. But I feel like that's just a normal dash. That's.
yeah, we don't know much, I mean, about these older cars. Me and Dom are really more domestic kind of guys. So I mean,
we're more JDM, I guess you could say.
Yeah, we're more JDM than we are domestic. My brother Skylar if we do introduce him onto the channel, he is all about old 70s domestic muscle cars and trucks and stuff like that. But as you can see, she do need some work, some suspension work.
Yeah, it has to sound like you have fucking tools in the back when you do something like that.
Yeah, the exhaust is just loose on it. Like I said, it's gonna be one of the projects for the channel. We'll get to it as soon as we can, as things grow.
As things progress and we have money.
Yeah, it is nice because it does have this pearlescent paint. I don't know if you guys can see.
I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. You guys can probably see it on this side. I don't know.
You guys can see the hint of the fucking purple in there. It's dope.
Yeah, I don't know if they can see that or not, but you know, it's pretty cool. You know, this is my mom's car. We got it for her for people say it's either anniversary or fucking Mother's Day, whichever the story goes. I can't really fucking remember at this point, but no, this thing's been in our fucking family for, I want to say 14 years. I know. We've had it repainted, and then ever since they got it repainted, they've just been letting it sit the fucking garage the whole entire time, letting it be neglected by dust and spiders and sad things. But you know, we can go ahead and get this thing started up and then move it out of the way and make some room for the garage.
How are you gonna get the oil change in?
I mean, it's pretty good. Has a little bit of an exhaust leak. You gotta put it in reverse there, son. Nigga, you need technical difficulties. There we go. There we go. Woo. No power steering. I mean, huh?
The source for you to get it in drive.
Here, hold this. Hold this. Put your foot on the fucking brake.
It is on the brake.
Got all the way up or what?
It's all the way up. So you just have to do it all special like to get it in the drive. See it? Is it in drive yet or what?
Yeah, I think so. Give her some gas. You'll see. Okay. Well, yeah, there you go. See, now you guys are gonna see why I don't like driving it. Oh, dude, you didn't scrape. Hey, keep coming. Good. I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, that's pretty cool. Like, I've been daily driving it. It's not too bad, but, you know, I just don't... V8s is not what I like. Like, I drove it for 3 days and I already had to fill it the fuck up. So, I mean, it's not too bad for, like, what it's worth. I mean, look, it's not too bad, huh? It's not too bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's just, it's kind of a nuisance. It's kind of a nuisance to drive around a little bit.
Trying to get a shifter into gear, as you guys can see, I'm kind of fighting with it to get it back into park.
Lift up.
There.
There you go. We're good?
Park.
Alright, good. Alright, you want to turn that off?
Turn it off.
Turn off your fucking America, please.
Oh, sorry. Are the bald eagles affecting you? I don't think Dominic likes bald eagles.
Hey.
He's just one of those anti-bald eagle people.
Well, I don't like it because I can't hear it idle.
Oh, because you can't hear your car idle?
I can't hear my car.
Over America?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I just thought I would try to let the car warm up a little bit, but Dominic doesn't want me to. Probably would just drain the gas tank anyway.
This is what I'm talking about. You can't even hear my car idle anymore. It sounds like a fucking Prius with a little bit of backfires.
Oh, fucking Prius with a little bit of backfires. So, yeah, we're just getting shit moved around. so we can get the other whip in here to do the oil change, because when you have a garage, you might as well do it. As you guys can hear, the throwout bearing is going out horribly. It's squealing pretty good. I told Dominic not to drive it. He told me when I was in Nevada, because I was working in Nevada drilling, and I was on my way there when he was sending me all this stuff that his car was making noises and it was making it sound like it was dying, but it really isn't. It's just a throwout bearing. So while we're in there, we're just gonna end up replacing the clutch and flywheel and doing everything, giving it a little bit of a performance upgrade with that lightweight flywheel, because why not? It just is, I mean, you can drive it, but it's just a horrible noise every time you shift.
No. You don't want to drive it, because I don't know if you caught that on camera or not,
but it died.
When I put it in, yeah, it died right when I put the clutch in.
Because the throwout bearing got caught and it didn't release or engage clutch all the way. I don't know if he actually showed really like what the front of it actually looks like. You know, of course, just so you guys all know, Dominic has an HR hood on a D. Yeah. He just walks away every time I tell him that. He's gonna go cry, but either way, I think Dom Z is really sick. I give him a lot of props for it, because I like the way it sounds. I like the way they drive. Makes me want one, but I probably won't get one, because 2JZ Supra, of course. So right now we're just gonna wait till the car that we're doing the oil change on gets here. Obviously it's not anything super fancy, since we just bought some O'Reilly's oil. She's gonna be getting rid of this car here soon anyway, so it's just really not that much of a big deal to put any real good oil into it. The car's been a nuisance since she's had it. So in other words, there's also the tank. You guys will see a lot more videos on that as things go. That's my beast. That's the inclusion car called Beast. That's what we used to haul everything with, and
the only one that hasn't broken down yet.
Yeah, that thing won't die. It just won't die on me. I tried, it just doesn't die. It's got over 200,000 on it now, and it still runs super strong. But
like, we try to have Skylar jump it and break it, but
yeah, we'll talk about that. When I was out drifting my truck out on one of the roads, you know, it was kind of icy out. We're out playing around because I just got these brand new 33 1250s on there, the Pro Comps, and I was out having some fun in my truck, you know, because why not? And Skylar got a little too balls out with it, and he landscaped my truck. That's what we call it now, is landscaping it, because he jumped the curb and went straight into some landscaping. And we'll probably go take a video of where it happened at and just kind of include that in a short little clip so you guys can see where it happened, the whole mess. I mean, we actually had to put it in four-wheel drive just to get it out from where it was. Dominic wasn't with us, but it was almost on Snapchat because I was Snapchatting and I almost posted it. But my truck was okay. Nothing happened to it. Thank God, because I just put the brand new tires on there and I thought he popped one. But he didn't.
Yeah, but for right now we're playing the waiting game, so yeah.
We'll get back to you guys as soon as the ride gets here.
Yep, as soon as the whip.
What are you gonna talk about?
Alright guys, it's been days later and I just want to show that quick little clip, or clips I should call it, of the Camaro and of the Z. You can't see it, but it's in the garage. But basically that was just me explaining the cars that I bring to the table, and then we're gonna have multiple, every time someone joins we're gonna have their car, their project, whatever they have, we're gonna show it to you so you know, you guys stay in the loop and all that other stuff, and then did you want to talk about the giveaway, or you want to save that for another time?
Yeah. So
Okay.
we're gonna be doing a giveaway, guys, just for a GoPro. Probably just like a Hero 5, maybe Hero 6. Just depends. All you have to do is just like and subscribe to our videos, and that's it. And you're entered in to win a GoPro for free. So it's easy. That's $400 that you don't have to spend on a GoPro that we're just gonna give away. And all you gotta do is just like our videos and subscribe. Thanks.
All right, guys. You heard it here. We're giving away GoPro. We want you guys to do what we do for fun. Doesn't get any more better than that. So, hopefully we see you guys in the next one. Later.